fourth bottom player. Congratulations, Coach Luigi Julio, and our player of the game, Chris Banquero. Coach Luigi, this is the first time for Northport to be held to less than 100 points this conference. Obviously, your defense was the name of the game. It was difficult to stop everything, but what did you put the most premium on, and what makes you the most proud of how your men showed up today?
Well, first of all, Northport's been playing really good basketball. I mean, they deserve every win. They've been taking down a lot of quality teams. Hong Kong, Ginebra. Some of the coaches said, they are the real deal. But I think today we played better defensively. We know this team can score the ball. We got guys like Munzon, Tolentino, Navarro. Their import also is a perfect fit for them. I thought our bench just all around coming in, helping out. This is one of these games where even our bigs, Norbert, Kyle, Raymond, helping Brandon, quality from them coming in.
Thank you so much, Coach Luigi. Now, Chris, on to you. Congratulations. It is a conference high night for you. It's coming back from an injury. What were the expectations that you set for yourself, and what did it take for you to get this one, to get at this level again?
Yeah, it's always, it's good to be back. It's always nice to be healthy. So, yeah, it was a very important game for us. I was really excited to play Northport tonight because they were playing the best in this conference. So we really wanted to see where we were at as a team, and I thought we responded well tonight. And yeah, we did a very good job. They're a tough team and they deserve a lot of respect. But yeah, it was good. It's good to be back.
Thank you, Chris. Nice to see you back. We're now opening the floor to the media.
Coach, congratulations. At 6'3", medyo tawag dito, daming yung kaparehong 6'3", in your last 3 games is the SMC teams. The way na you're almost complete and seems to be you're finding the form na hinahanap nyo. How do you see those 3 top games? Actually 4, including the SMB.
For quality teams, we just try to approach every game, the same. They are our last 3 games, but that one's gonna be nice. Inimbita rin namin yung mga fans out of town. It's always a treat when we get to go out of town. I think more than anything it's for the fans. So San Miguel's, they're going through some rough patches now, but when push comes to shove, they need every game. So I think all those 3 teams are jockeying for position. Some teams to make the playoffs. We just have to be ready. But important for us, just what's in front for us. Healthy bodies. We're going out of town. We play San Miguel. I think after that we come back. We play Ryukyu, and then we have a long break. And then obviously the last 2, Ginebra and Magnolia, right? But nothing's gonna come easy. I think right now at 6 we're in the playoffs, I think, but we're trying to get into the top 6 first.
Chris, same question also. You guys almost completed. You guys are finding that form you're researching on that stretch.
Yeah, we are almost complete, and it's good to be complete coming towards the end, coming towards the playoffs. I think it's really good for us to go against these tough teams, these top teams, because it'll prepare us for the playoffs, and we need that. Of course, it's a tough schedule anytime you're playing Ginebra, San Miguel, and Magnolia, but it'll show where we're at as a team, and it'll prepare us definitely for the playoffs. Maybe playing our best basketball.
Chris, can you tell us more about the injury that forced you to miss the early part of the conference?
Yeah, I had tore my hamstring in the tune-up game against Blackwater. I had just a small tear in there, so the hamstring's always tricky. So thanks to Doc Vachon for the good rehab as always to get me back stronger. So yeah, just a small tear in my hamstring. So that's it.
Which about spreading the minutes? I think a lot of players had good playing time, major minutes overall. Just how about spreading the minutes for tonight's game?
I think our coaching staff, good question. And I think our coaching staff looks at it also na parang, you know, some of our older guys are a bit old. If you look in the league now, the two oldest teams are probably San Miguel and us. So Cliff takes a toll, CB also new. So I think to get good in a series, Coach Ned will agree with me, we have the other guys to play. I think that was our key to our championship run. Guys did their jobs, and I compliment the guys coming in because everybody that we called upon got better in the second half. Brandon didn't have a good first half with the Kiel defensively. He started it, then si Norbert, si Kyle, Raymond, Almazan. So that was big. In our guard lineup, CJ is still learning, but Jansen and those guys. So in a series, everybody, the deeper teams have a better advantage, right? So that to us, that's our strength.
Coach, in between, you still have EASL, turnaround, so not practice for final quarter.
Well, we nakakataba ng puso, alam mo, dala natin yung PBA and dala natin yung bandila. And to us, it means very much for us because we're representing also the country. We take that very, very seriously. Sayang yung last game, 13 na yung lamang natin, KCC. That would have been the first time we won outside. And it's nice. I think it's good for Asia, it's good for the PBA. We're excited. You know, we've learned a lot from last year. We're very proud to do it, and we know we can do it. We have to take care of business against Ryukyu, but I think it will come down to the game sa Taipei. Because I think if we win that, with the way it looks, as long as KCC loses one more, we have to push it over Macau and Taipei. So we're getting guys ready. I don't think we have a day off tomorrow. And it's part of the job. It's part of, you know, representing yung PBA natin at yung kumpanya, Meralco. And then we're going out of town. So, it's part of it. We were like, they look at it parang Meralco linemen. We have to put our hard caps on everything.
Coach, si Cliff ba may injury ba?
He's feeling a little bit, but we're just trying to get some minutes. I think he's bruised a little bit all over. Pupunin siya, right? So it's important for the other guys to chip in. And we're, you know, every game is obviously important, but it's nice that last game it was Brandon, now it's the other guys. These guys always get the recognition. CB, Nu, yung mga player of the game, si Bong. We value the other guys on the bench. You know, like even our coaching staff, Coach Nenet's there, Sandro does a good job with it. So I think defensively, it's a collective effort all around. That's what we reach.
Coach, thank you.
Coach, thank you.
Salamat guys. Salamat.
CB, thank you.
Thank you.